Hello, good morning, and welcome to another edition of The Good, the Bad, the Ugly, the Juice Review Show, brought to you by the Department of Inhaled Vapours. Now, I've got two juices I want to show you today, and one of them will be in a new segment. Actually, I'll do that now. The new segment I want to introduce, but hopefully not have to repeat too often, is I fucked up. Yeah, I'll just explain the situation that went behind all this. A little while ago, I was doing a batch review of about 4 or 5 different companies. A lot of the juice I was doing were very heavily citrus based. There was a lot of lemons, a lot of limes going on in there, to the point where actually the whole room smelt of lemon. And I got onto my last one, which was Parrot Vapors. I did the turquoise. That was a very, very, very nice grape raspberry combo. And I did what I thought at the time, from looking at the label, I shall show you here now. I thought at the time I had Parrot Pink, which was supposed to be a lemon. You know what I mean? It's one of those pink lemonades. Yeah, it wasn't. It wasn't. Due to my taste buds being basically citruses out, and also the smell in the room, I smelt the bottle, and all I could actually still smell was what was in the room. Yeah, this is actually Parrot Peach. So I'm making this video here just to rectify my fuck up, basically. Yeah, well, I did actually get a little message off Aaron after the review, after he seen, went, buddy, yep, I think you got that a bit wrong there. That's not what you've got. And I went, oh, shit. So, here we are. Just got to state for the record, any opinions you hear during this review are mine and mine alone. I've not been influenced or paid in any way, shape or form to do this review. Also, please remember, individual setups will change the flavour of the juice and what you get from it. Right, so yeah, so this is a 3mg 80-20 VG PG mix, and we shall have another go at this again. That fucking right. Right, the weapon of choice today will be the IPv2, and that's got a fly bone dual coiled to 0.4. Let's give it a bit of clear out. Yeah, I'm already clear. Cool. Have a little smell of the bottle. See, now I've got a well ventilated room that I'm now doing this. You can smell the peach, and there's just a little bitter hint of tea. Now, as you may have seen from a few other videos, I've started to get into my tea vapes. I don't drink tea. I don't really like tea as a whole. I can't drink the whole mug of it. That's just not me. But the tea vapes, because you only dip into them, and I do kind of find them nice. Especially the more fragrant, fruity ones. Here we go. Let's paint this on here. See, I love my fly bone. The only problem is, exactly like the freak show, is because of where those bottom air holes are, you can't just fucking dollop it on like you sometimes do with other drippers. You kind of got to paint it on, otherwise it goes down your air hole and then it comes out the bottom and it goes all over your mod and your swear, and yeah. They're good, but that bit is a bit annoying. But you do get the airflow, so you can't complain too much. Here we go. Right, I'm going to start off with 32 watts, which is around about 3.7 volts. As you can see, the vapor production is phenomenal, but it's an 80-20. I really hoped it really should be. Throat hit, there's a little throat hit. It's barely noticeable, to be honest. You just go, oh, and then it's practically gone. It's not that major a throat hit. Flavour-wise, it's very, very subtle. Which would also explain why I cocked up the other one so badly with all the other flavours and smells that were going on in the room. Inhale and exhale are practically the same, which is really nice. It kind of tells you it's blended really, really well. Inhale, you get the first thing to hit you is mainly the peach. But it's a really subtle peach, and you get the undercurrent of the slight bitterness of the tea underneath it. Actually, the taste that's left in the mouth is the tea, and the exhale that comes up through it is peach. So it's still kind of blending after the exhale has happened. That's nice. See, as you see, I'm not pushing the unit at the moment, but the vapour production is quite happily filling the room as it is. So I'm going to go up a bit to see if this does anything different. Right, I'm going to go up to 40 watts, which is 4.2 volts. Well, as you can see, vapour production becomes a billow. Throat hit's still minuscule. Peach comes through a little bit stronger, but it's still not overpowering. It's still, you know, this is what I'd call the Sunday afternoon vape. It's pleasant, it's smooth, there's a nice flavour. You're getting the tea comes through better actually at a higher voltage wattage as well. That's just all in all a nice pleasant. It's not one I'd do all day again, but it is one that I'd quite happily, if I was just chilling out, you know, even just chilling out in the back garden, I could quite happily just plaster that on all afternoon. The peach just takes an edge of the bitterness of the tea off. Yeah, all in all, that is just a very nice, very, very nice, as I say, after the exhale is finished, you have got the taste of tea in your mouth, and every time you breathe out, you get a wave of peach blend in and joins the party, so to speak, as well. That is very, very nice. I'm going to go up a little bit more. Right, I'm going to go up to 46. No, I'll go up to 47. That's 4.5 volts. Well, as you can see, well, the fact you can't see me yet, vapour production is superb. That's handled really well. Losing the peach more as it went higher up, but then the tea is coming through a lot stronger. So if you like it more fruity, obviously lower down. If you like it more tea, which I've just invented as a word, go higher up. But all in all, that is a very, very, very nice, pleasant, chill out vape. That, I kind of like that one. Alright, I'm going to carry on to another one, and this isn't part of the fuck ups, this is just a new one that I've made, Anne-Marie managed to get me. We have got purple. Now, I like my fruity vapes. It's not a secret. Yeah, we're cool. This one's in 6 milligrams, but also will still be 80/20 VGPG. Like the colour of the bottle. You can see that. That's very nice. But this is once again another clear juice. So my coils and my wick are going to be happy after this. Nice and gloopy. Look at that. That's gloopy. And have a little paint job. Yeah, we're nice and loaded. Cool. Ooh, there's a lovely smell of raspberry from that bottle. I like raspberries. Here we go. Alright, let's knock that down a bit first. Alright, we're going to 31 watts. Yeah, as we come to expect from this range, vapour production is superb. Fruit hit, still not a lot of fruit hit. There's a little bit more fruit hit to this one than there was with the tea, but it's still nothing that's going to really concern you if you have a problem with massive fruit hits. It's a really full-bodied, juiced up raspberry. It's more of a raspberry soda because you get a kind of a little fizz after the inhale on your tongue. But the raspberry taste is so full on, it is absolutely gorgeous. Oh, that's nice. That is nice. Just from that little go alone, I could quite happily do that all day. Right, I'm going to go up to 37.5. It's about 4.1 volts. Actually, the vape reduction on this one is slightly better than it is with the peach. But, oh, it's just the flavour. And it hangs around the mouth for a long time afterwards. You do get this fizzy raspberry. Oh. I'm actually salivating. I can actually feel my mouth starting to water. Because it's getting... My taste buds are basically telling me this, because this is raspberry, and it's a raspberry soda, really. And it wants it that much that it's producing saliva for me to actually swallow it. Oh, that's nice. Nose exhale really does improve the flavour even more. It doesn't need improvement, to be fair. But, oh, so nice. So as you're breathing out your nose, you're pushing your tongue up to the roof of your mouth and it's just squashing all those flavours into your taste buds. As you can see, yep, it's heavy VG. I'm getting a runny nose. No, that is gorgeous. If you're a raspberry fan, I definitely recommend you get hold of a bottle of Parrot Purple. That is really, really, yeah, that's gorgeous. That is definitely going into the rotation. That is so in there. Well, that brings me to the end to another edition of The Good, The Bad, The Ugly. If you have enjoyed this, my name's been Darren Stone. If you haven't enjoyed this, my name's Phil Pescado. Don't tell him. So, until I meet you all again, goodbye.